Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or use Google Chrome on your OPPO F21 Pro 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to move to our settings. From here, find the system settings, go for the date and time and enable set time automatically. Now if we go back to our Google Chrome and reload that same page, it works without any problem. And the same as with Google Play Store, we can try again and the app loads normally. We can also try restarting Google Play Store if you find any further trouble using it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.